Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. Today we are going to see how to make call on Discord, how to call on Discord, or how to make a voice call on Discord. So this is a very simple video and it will be short video. So before we start, I'm requesting you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and comments below. So let's start with the video. Let's go on my Discord. So guys, here you can see my Discord window, and this is I already logged in. Okay, so here before you start voice call, you have to make sure that your mic is on. Okay, on your headphone also on. Okay, so this is both are mine, though both are off, is off. You should be on this. Okay. Okay, you should on this before you know make the voice call. uh, I got this message, you do not have permission to speak in this channel, because I have joined channel where don't have permission to speak. Okay, so if you have contacts, I don't have contacts, so enter the into the channel where I can't speak. Okay, the permission has blocked. Okay, so here you have to open any your friends profile and click on messages, and now you have to click on this icon, start voice call. Though then you are able to do voice call on Discord. Okay, so that is how you can make a call on Discord. Thank you for watching.